How to fix POE2 transferred partial file error in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing this error message when trying to update Path of Exile. As a result, you can't install the update, but you can download the patch from a Google Drive's link given in the video description. This will fix the issue and the error message will no longer appear. Follow the steps. Go to the video description and click on the link. This is the link. This will take you to this page. Click on download. Here is Path of Exile 64 MB. Click on download anyway. Once downloading is completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads. Right click on this file and select Open. This will install the patch. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.